What's going on, y'all? Vinny Cuz here, and today I'm going to try to give you guys a helping hand on how to decide when the best times to drive are. And it's always a tough deal because everybody's in a different market and we all got different seasons. But there are two things that you can pull from to help get you there. And the first one is the apps themselves. So when you open up your app, you go to your inbox. It's going to give you your information there. But when you scroll up, you will find this on the Uber readout, right? So granted, it's only for flight hours. They're not really giving us a strong indication other than occasional text messages. Hey, drive between 3 and 4 a.m., make $22 an hour. Yeah, right. Anyway, but you can at least get an idea of when their peak flyers are out at the airports. Now, how do you use this to your advantage? Well, you check your queue. You guys know how I feel about the airports. They're always heavy with cars in there. But if all those cars are in there and they're moving there, outside and around or another busy area might be a good time to drive. The other one is go by Lyft. Like even, with Lyft. Lyft gives you these schedules and they tell you when their highest ride demand is. It's not that they're trying to force you out there. They're showing you when the best time to drive is. And as we can see, from 4:30 a.m. till about 4:30 p.m. And if you're one of those guys who are out there hustling for the 2,000 a week, 1,500 a week, you guys already know this. But between 4:30 in the morning, 4:30 in the afternoon is when Lyft has the highest demand. The same's got to be for Uber. Okay. And granted, we're only talking about your basic rides, your basic X, your basic Lyft. Guys that drive on XLs or Lux, it's a little bit different for us. So anyway, another way to look at it is, hold on, because I'm going to open up the phone. So we're going to go into the history of my apps and we're going to look at my past driving history. This is probably the second most important thing you can use. So you're going to go into your history, click on your weekly summary, right? Look at earnings activity. And then you can come up here and go past in your past weeks. It's real easy to do. Now, mind you, last weekend was rolling loud. So the 1:30 a.m., the 1:20 a.m., that was rolling loud. But 5:30 in the afternoon. Again, these are rolling louds. 8:30, 9 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Right? We go back and we look a couple of days, 8:05, 6:50, 8:52, 8:05, 7:16, right? That's one way to look at it, right? Then you go into your other app. Again, we're going to look at our ride history. Going to see all activity. Go back to the previous weeks. And you can go back to your weeks and just get an idea of the times. Now, this was a little late, right? 11:30 at night. But there's 7:15. There was a canceled ride there at 6:55, 6:23, 5:53, 4:50. These are the times I normally go out and work because I'm doing other things in the morning. But you get the idea of what I'm saying to you. You go back and you look at times. Here we go. 5:15, 5 o'clock. Okay. And 7:45 in the morning. I did do a ride in the morning. I was out. My point is if you take these tools that they're giving us, plus you take your ride history, you can shape when the best time for you to go out and drive is so that you're not sitting out there just wasting time. It's a tough deal, especially in the slower seasons. So you might as well use your time wisely, maximize your earnings. Anyway, for those that are new, I'd appreciate you hitting the button. For those that have been here, appreciate you hitting the other button. If you're new to the game, you want to learn how to drive, coming out here whether part-time or full-time, I got links down below. I'd appreciate you checking out the links. And other than that, we'll see you next time. Peace out.